Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize data operations with Basecamp step by step clearly.
Start by logging into your Basecamp account.
Once logged in, create a new project by clicking on the New Project button.
Give your project a descriptive name that clearly reflects its purpose. Invite team members to the project by entering their email addresses.
Assign roles to each team member, ensuring everyone understands their responsibilities.
Navigate to the To-Do section to begin organizing tasks. Create a list of tasks needed to optimize your data operations. Set deadlines for each task to keep the project on track. Assign tasks to specific team members to improve accountability.
Use the message board feature to communicate updates and progress with the team. Post regular updates on the project's status to keep everyone informed. Utilize the Docs and Files section to store essential documents related to data operations. Upload relevant data reports and files for easy access by team members. Incorporate the check-ins feature to gather consistent feedback from the team.
Schedule periodic check-ins to assess progress and address any challenges.
Leverage the Campfire chat feature for real-time discussions about the project. Encourage team members to share insights and suggestions during these discussions. Use Basecamp's analytics tools to track project performance in terms of deadlines met and task completion rates. Review the data collected to identify areas for improvement in your operations. Adjust your strategy based on these insights to enhance efficiency moving forward. Regularly revisit the project and its goals to ensure alignment with your overall objectives. Celebrate milestones achieved to motivate the team and maintain momentum.
Continue refining the process as new data becomes available and project needs evolve.
If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.